Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron Kurta Men Easy Guide. Press the collar flat, use steam, and iron from yoke to hem in smooth strokes to avoid creases. Start with low heat for delicate fabrics and increase if safe. Keep a clean cloth between iron and embroidery. Move the iron in long, even passes and hang immediately to set the shape and prevent new wrinkles. Begin with the collar and cuffs to set a neat foundation. Iron collars from tips toward the center using gentle pressure and steam. For cuffs, unbutton, iron inside first, then outside to preserve seams. Protect decorative stitching with a thin cloth and avoid direct high heat. Take your time and check both sides so the kurta looks sharp and ready to wear without damaging any embellishments. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple clothing care tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and enjoy a pleasant drive after your ironing session. I find a fresh-smelling car keeps the mood light while handling laundry. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work the body in flat sections, moving from the shoulder down to hem for an even finish. Slide sleeves over the narrow board edge or use the sleeve board to maintain smooth seams. Apply short steam bursts to relax persistent wrinkles and avoid heavy pressure on printed or delicate areas. Always recheck seams and pleats and hang the kurta immediately to preserve the freshly ironed look for wearing or packing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.